Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Elias Tech here, and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I have the Anker 4.0 USB hub. Or sorry, my bad, USB 3.0 data hub that has 4 ports, and it's super small, I guess. I just received this in the mail right now, and I'm going to use it for when I play video games, as well as use it for anything that I need to do with my computer. But this is an unboxing, and then also a review as well. But let's get right into it. Alright, guys. Grab your trusty duty little knife right here, or in this case it's a razor. And then just lift up on the top. That's if I cut it directly right and it actually went through. There we go. Pull this tab out. And here we go. Alright, as you can see, we have the hub right here, and it's by Anker. This video is not sponsored by Anker as well. I just bought it because I needed it. Sticker thing out. It's not really that bad though for 4 ports. And then pull this little tab. See how long is the cord? Because that might be an issue though, because my PS4 is kind of like a hot minute over my room, and I wonder if this will work. And put that on the side. And let's just see. It said 2 feet. I think this is about 2 feet. Yeah, I think they were right on this. On this weight, this might actually work. But it looks very well made and very well like sleek as well. I can't wait to use this out too and have it with my new headset that my friend bought me for Christmas and my birthday at the same time. As you can see, all ports do work. Just not entirely sure if they are charged right now. Well, not charged but if there's power drawing to it. Let's test that out right now. Alright guys, I have my trusty duty MacBook Pro right here. And I also have the USB hub right here. Let's plug it in. And then see if there's a light that pops up at all. Yep, there's a light. And it's on. Let's just put this right here. Turn on my laptop. I'm right here. And let's just... I got a bunch of FaceTime calls, as you can see. Alright. Now let's try it out. I have an iPhone cord actually on me right now, surprisingly. And let's plug this in right here. Oops, wrong way. Alright. And then I have my iPhone 7 right here as well. Let's plug it in. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. It worked. I have tape right here because it has a charging port problem and it'll just come out easily. So I just put tape in there and it actually like holds it in place. But it's charging. I am very satisfied with that. Let's just try all ports just to make sure that they are all working. Correct. Correct. And correct. All right, that all worked. Can't wait to use it though, 100%. I recommend going and getting this USB 3.0 hub for, it's only $11 on Amazon right now. And you can get it shipped within the next 2 days if you have Amazon Prime. But I do recommend getting this product. Alright guys, thank you for watching my Anker unboxing of the USB hub 4-point edition. As in 1, 2, 3, 4 points. And then 3.0 as in the version of the USB. But make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment down below on what you guys thought of this video. And I'll see you guys next time. See you guys.